1, 2, 3, you're on. Ikey and Mikey were digging in a ditch. Ikey said, Mikey, you dirty son of a, bring up my children. Let them talk to Lulu. Because Lulu loves cocktails, ginger ales, 5 cents a glass. If you don't like it, you can kick me in the ask me no questions, tell me no lies, come around the corner, and I'll give you 2 black eyes. Woo! Little Americana, metallic Americana. Looking good. Got some black highlights of caviar in here. Who likes caviar? Not me, but I like the caviar color. Over and out, baby.